So communication is emotional intelligence. We cannot communicate without emotions. If you're communicating without emotions, then you're quite robotic, and sometimes what happens, the voice starts to sound very mechanical. It lacks tone, it lacks personality, it lacks character. So we don't want to be doing that. We want to make sure we're using our emotions, but in a balanced way, meaning that we're aware of how we're responding, which is self-awareness and awareness of others. We're also got a lot of self-management in there. So we're managing our emotions and we're aware of those boundaries, because sometimes emotions can go out of hand, and I think that's why people try not to go there. But if you take emotions out of the equation in communication, you really basically have only got words, and we might as well have a robot or Siri speaking. So what we need to focus on is how to communicate what we're saying with the investment, the personal investment of using our emotions to communicate. And when you do that, your words seem to be more kind of musical. They have a lot of inflections and intonation. So it goes high, goes low. You end up stressing some words because you really want to drive the message in a particular way. For example, I could say, how many times did you come? How many times did you come? How many times did you come? So by stressing those words, I'm actually changing the meaning on what I'm wanting. So we're able to do that when we're connecting to emotions. But when it's kind of just mind thinking, just the expression of thinking, then we basically become quite robotic, and people feel like you're not connecting with them and you're not giving them value, and you're standing back from that connection that they're needing. They're standing back and they think that you're not giving enough and you're holding back and you're not really connecting with them. And communication is all about engagement and getting your message, making a powerful message. And the only way it's powerful is when people feel like, wow, I got that. I felt that. I didn't just hear it, but I felt it.